Before we begin, here's a shocking fact. Many people earn good money, yet still live under constant financial stress. Studies show that millions of families would struggle to handle a major emergency expense if their income suddenly stopped. That's because financial security isn't about how much you earn. It's about how much control you have over your money. So, how do you know if you're truly financially secure? In this video, we'll explore 6 powerful signs that reveal whether you're building real financial stability or just earning a paycheck. Let's get started. Nowadays, financial security is probably one of the most misunderstood ideas. We all want to make money. We all want a day when our bank account has so much cash that we don't even have to think before buying anything. But the question is, does just having money mean you're financially secure? There are plenty of people who, just after a small raise, start thinking, now I'm financially secure. But the real truth is way different. Financial security means that money doesn't control you. You control the money. Take control, meaning your financial situation should be such that you don't have to overthink when buying what you need or planning for the future. Besides, there are some clear signs of financial security. These signs show you that you're slowly but surely reaching a point where your life isn't just about getting by, but running on a stable and sustainable growth model. So, in today's video, we'll break down these signs, and each sign will be like a chapter that tells you, how can you ensure financial security? And more importantly, are you even noticing these signs in your life? So, let's move forward in the video to our first chapter. But before that, if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe for more informative videos like this. Chapter 1. When you can cover your fixed expenses without stress. See, earning money and managing money are two different things. If you're the one responsible for earning in a house, then every month you make a list that, no matter what happens, you've got to pay for stuff, like rent, electricity bills, Wi-Fi, groceries, leftover EMIs. If you have kids, then there's school and coaching fees too. None of this is optional because life pretty much revolves around this list. Your salary comes in, and by the first week, almost half of it's already gone. Then whatever's left, you've got to stretch it for the whole month. By the last week, you're just crunching numbers all the time. Should I buy this now or wait till next month? But real financial security only starts after that. It's when these fixed expenses don't stress you out at all. You know that even after managing all these costs, you'll still have plenty of money left. It's a kind of peace of mind. When you go out, your mind isn't ticking like a meter. Before buying something, you don't think, man, if I buy this, how will I pay the electricity bill? You order food without feeling guilty. When you go out to watch a movie, you're not running calculations in your head like, hey, this money could have paid for the kids' tuition. It sounds like a small thing, but in reality, it's one of the biggest. The biggest shift happens when you stop stressing about your expenses. So whenever you ask yourself, am I becoming financially secure? The very first test is this. Can I pay my fixed household expenses without any stress? If the answer is yes, consider that you've cleared the first level of the financial game. Chapter 2 is when you have an emergency fund ready. Look, if your life is going perfectly right now, good job, perfect health, profitable business, happy family, then you're really lucky. But here's a bitter truth. The thing is, luck doesn't always stay the same. One day can come out of nowhere and turn everything upside down, and that date decides whether you're actually financially secure or just pretending to have money all this while. The problem is, as soon as people start earning a bit more, the first thing they do is show off. New bike, car, expensive gadgets, or unnecessary shopping. But trouble hits when life throws a shock they're totally not prepared for. Like suddenly losing a job, facing a huge loss in business, or something at home. When someone faces a serious problem, that's exactly when a financially secure person stands out. Because they have an emergency fund, a safety cushion that can cover 6 to 12 months of expenses. Rent, EMI, groceries, electricity bills, petrol, everything included. These people don't lose hope during tough times because they know they don't have to beg anyone for help. They have enough backup to handle the situation on their own. See, real financial security is when your decisions aren't controlled by money. It's not about not having enough money. It's about being able to use it when you want. It's simple. If you've built an emergency fund, consider half the battle already won because money isn't for show, it's for peace of mind. Chapter 3. When you're able to financially support your family and community. That financial security isn't just about you. Meaning, even if you have money but your family is struggling, whether you like it or not, those responsibilities come on you. Just think about it. Your little brother wants to study and make something of himself, but the family doesn't have enough money to pay his fees, and your mother needs medical treatment. Dad has spent his whole life lifting you up, and now, in his retirement, he doesn't even have a secure pension. So, the real financially secure person is the one who can support their family in situations like these without sacrificing their own dreams. Meaning, your own life is running smoothly, and you're also standing strong as a support system for your family. Look, it's not just about money. It's not just about giving. It's a complete mindset shift. When you stop being a liability for your family and instead become an asset, that's when things change. Your family doesn't hesitate to share their problems with you. They actually feel proud to do so. That means you're living a financially secure life. Society sees it the same way. If you've got enough money to help out a poor neighbor with their medical treatment or support a child's education, then yes, you're financially secure. Understand this. A truly financially secure person isn't just someone who takes care of themselves, but also looks out for the people around them. It becomes a backbone for you. And that's the stage where you feel like, yeah, I've moved beyond just struggling and now I'm making an impact. Honestly, this impact-level money feels even more satisfying than the thrill of just earning. Because at the end of the day, making your family and society proud of you is a huge financial success. Chapter 4 is when your debt is under your control. Look, making money is one thing, but saving it and not getting buried under debt is a whole other ballgame. In fact, we call a person financially secure only when people who handle their debt situation smartly can manage well. There's a big trap, the loan culture. Small salary, and suddenly a credit card in hand. At first, they think EMIs make everything seem cheaper. They end up taking this and that. But slowly, they get buried under the EMI burden. Every month, 4 or 5 different installments, and half their income goes just to pay those. Now, I'm not saying using EMIs or loans is wrong. Everyone has their own needs. But a financially secure person is someone who you're easily managing all your EMIs and loan interest without sacrificing your lifestyle or losing sleep at night. Simply put, if you have control over your debt, you're not a slave to it, and your sleep isn't disturbed because of it. That's a clear sign you're doing really well financially. Chapter 5 is about having proper insurance coverage. Another fundamental part of financial security is being insured for your family and your own health. It means you have a safety net called insurance that won't leave you financially weak when unexpected trouble hits. That means most people don't have insurance cover for their families because they think, I'm perfectly fine. Why waste money on something I don't need? And these are the same people you see begging neighbors and relatives for help or loans during emergencies. But if you're one of those who have life insurance, health insurance, or even you've got critical illness cover, which means you've built a solid shield for yourself. This shield protects your assets and savings even in emergency situations. Financially secure people don't see insurance as a cost, but as a tool for managing risk. And if you've also put a shield over your financial journey through insurance, that's a big sign you're at a mature level. Chapter 6. Making big purchases without needing a loan. See, everyone has certain desires in life. There's a special kind of satisfaction in achieving things on your own. But the difference lies in how you afford these things. If you're struggling financially, the first thing you do when buying something expensive is apply for a loan or calculate the EMIs. Then a part of your salary gets tied up in paying that EMI. So there's less happiness and more responsibility. But when you're financially secure, the equation is pretty simple. I want this thing. Okay, I can afford it. No need to take a loan. Because you already have a stable savings account, you can afford things without messing up your financial goals. The hidden advantage here is that you don't end up paying unnecessary interest. Think about it. If you take a loan for a car worth $1 million, over the next 5 to 7 years, you'll end up paying an extra $200,000 to $300,000 just in interest. So the car's real cost is $1 million, but you end up paying $1.2 to $1.3 million for it. On the other hand, a financially secure person, if they want to buy something and have the funds ready, then that's when you pay the full amount right there. No worries about interest, no stressing over EMIs. It's that moment when you realize your money is under your control, not controlling you. So friends, these were the 6 signs, each explained as a chapter, that show you've become financially secure. See, financial security doesn't mean becoming a millionaire or billionaire. It's about gaining control and independence in your life. When you can cover your expenses stress-free, be prepared for emergencies, and live debt-free. Yeah, when you invest and your money grows, that's the real sign of financial stability. It's a process that builds step by step. If you can see those signs in your life, it means you're on the right track. If not, start planning now, because the true purpose of money is to live life on your own terms. So, that's it for today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to like and share. And hey, to catch more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.